Yeah, friends, look at this shit. I'm sorry, pardon my French. Look at this. So this is the problem I have here. In one of our garden beds, there's a leak in a sprinkler line. I just wanted to show you how it pools, so immediately it floods the entire yard here and makes a little crater. So I have to excavate this, and then I will try to reattach the line. It looks like this little 90-degree piece here. I don't know if you can see it under the water. It's becoming, yeah, it's coming out now. Is disconnected from the white pipe underneath. You're gonna see it in a moment. I will get some plumbing glue for PVC pipes and reattach this, and then I hope I find some glue that is like heavy duty and short drying time, and I hope that's gonna fix my problem. And so I guess I need something that can stand the pressure, because you saw in that first clip it shoots out with quite a lot of pressure. So there it is. This here is disconnected. It has a thread on it actually, and the bottom piece has a thread, but there's nothing for me to twist. So I hope there's not a whole lot of debris dropping into the pipe. Yeah, so I don't really know how to twist it together, because despite the thread that I can clearly feel in here, it came out anyway. So I'm gonna try to glue it. And I hope that'll do the trick. Okay, I'm back. I just went to Ace and bought this. According to Google search on the label here, this is the OD product to go with for irrigation issues. OD just because Ace has it. I'm sure there are others, but they make a whole range of like pipe and PVC glues and things like that, and this is specifically for irrigation because it says that it's applicable in wet environments. It should set and seal very quickly, and it's made for high pressure. Here it is, like a big fat lollipop. I'm just gonna squish this into the thread here and around here. Pipe cement, PVC cement for irrigation. I'm gonna try to press this in as far as I can. In hopes that it gets enough grip to hold the pressure. So I'm taking my pliers here. Unfortunately, they open wide enough that I can't get beneath the other piece and apply pressure from the top, I think. That's my plan, at least. That's to press this in. If I would have been clever, I would have read how long it needs to dry. Press first and then read later. Okay, so it says it needs about 30 minutes cure time. So I'll be back in 30. Okay, it's dry now. Now I'm gonna turn the water on and I hope it's sealed. I really not sure that I pressed it in deep enough. Let's see. I gotta turn the sprinkler on from my phone, so I don't know if the camera keeps recording or not. It works. Here's the head that's fed by the connection there. This head is fed by the connection. I'm standing right in the water now. And it's running. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright, honestly I'm surprised and impressed. So I don't have any, unfortunately I'm not being paid anything, but this stuff on first impression, quite amazing. My connection is sealed. It feeds the sprinkler head. I can re-enable my zone here because I had disabled it, and that's a win. Success. Awesome. So if you have an issue like this, excavate the connection. You can usually find it when you see where the water's pooling, and get this stuff made for irrigation, and it can help you out of a pickle. See you next time. Bye bye.